NASDAQ 100 once again traded in green, closed the week above 13,300 levels. And as I shared many times earlier, that beyond 13,200 levels, the next stop for NASDAQ 100 is close to 13,500 levels. It has achieved one step closer, it has gone one step closer till towards 13,440 last week. Now, what to expect next week? Can we expect it to trade bullish from here, or is it going to trade with a bearish bias and drop from here? Which position you should take in order to profit trading NASDAQ 100 next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the daily market analysis, which I share before the US. Also, you can keep yourself updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. The live market updates are shared there. Let's start. In this analysis, first we'll look into charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. Now look at US100 on the daily charts. First of all, see, this was the sideways movement in which in this box it was trying to trade. Now after trading sideways for multiple days, it is just tried to change the gear out there. It is just trying to trade bullish. See, the slope out here and slope out here is different. So this is certainly a bullish breakout which it is trying to continue with. Now first of all, here is also reversal. Second, consistently higher lows are seen. At the same time, lower highs are seen here, and hence wait for it to break past 13,500, which is going to bring more bullishness in NASDAQ 100, and then 13,800, 14,000 levels are certainly appears to be achievable. Right now it is trading in a very narrow zone. 13,200 levels is something you should watch out for in the daily charts. If it trades below 13,200, we may see 13,150, and then below 13,150, certainly 13,000 and below levels cannot be denied. But right now it is looking forward to an ascending triangle, and it is trying to squeeze it out. A breakout certainly is going to bring more bullishness. Now also, if you look at, see, this is happening after this, and this is the bullish channel in which it is trying to trade. This is the three lines here. The bottom of this channel till 13,000 levels, anyways, one can remain bullish on NASDAQ 100. Now look at the on the weekly chart, the rise. See, first of all, you can see this bottom here, and at this point I told you, see, NASDAQ 100 has come out of the long-term bearish channel. It is going to trade bearish, and see, this is the bullish breakout it is trying to show. Yes, it is still very much within this bullish channel. However, for last few weeks it is just trying to consolidate here, and hence a breakout should bring more bullishness. Right now it is trying to restrict its movement. Now if you look at last few weeks movement, see, a stronger bullish candle, and then a cross out there, indecision there with a long tail, then higher lows, higher highs. It is still trying to squeeze out here. Certainly beyond 13,500 we can expect accelerated bullishness here in NASDAQ 100. Till 13,000, till 12,800, I will not consider NASDAQ 100 as bearish at all. Now look at the monthly chart. Now what is happening over monthly chart? See this one bullish candle. First of all, higher lows here, consolidation here. Then this is the breakout. This is the first bullish candle, stronger bullish candle. In fact, this candle too has seen a higher lows. And if you draw a parallel from here, now the difference here and here is 220 points. And if you extend the slope out there, 13,480 is the levels, 13,500 is the level, which certainly might remain the highs, and it can try to just create one more step for NASDAQ 100 for a bullish candle next month. And hence that is where we can see it trading with higher lows, higher highs. Probably 13,480, 500 levels might get achieved before it looks over to retrace a little, or before it looks over to break out. Any move above 13,500, certainly one can stay long. 13,650, 800, 14,000 levels cannot be denied here. Now this is what we can see on the monthly charts, and also on the monthly charts, as I have shared several times earlier. See this bull run, this retracement. Now again it is NASDAQ 100 is trying to look upwards. Hence one should still not consider this as bearish. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators on the monthly charts. It is trading above the 20-50 100 months average. Certainly is a bullish sign. Is starting to diverge again. That is also a bullish sign here. And you can see the super trend is far above 16,000 levels as a good resistance there. The stochastic on the monthly charts is back to overbought levels. That is the point of concern. However, the variance is still far below, and it is not like that it cannot sustain the overbought levels. Once the buyers pull in, it can sustain the overbought levels as well. Now what it is happening, you can see this MACD after trading bearish for a couple of years or 1.5 years, it is trying to converge crossover for a very first time. Now see this, Nasdaq 100 has hit a bottom almost after 10 to 12 years, and thus from here it may try to recover a bit, and that is why we can see bullishness here in Nasdaq 100. RSI is also trying to look upwards here, trying to trade with moderate bullish bias. Now look at the weekly. On the weekly chart, see this is a bullish cross here with 12,500 as the base. We can see Nasdaq 100 turning bullish. The 20-50-100 period moving average are now crossing over. This is a very good sign on the weekly charts, and potentially it may bring a little more bulls out there. Now see, this was the crossover here for the bears on the weekly charts at almost 14,500 levels, and since then it has hit almost 10,450, eroding almost 30% of the wealth here. Now a crossover is seen here at 12,500 levels, and thus this should bring bullishness here, and might we may see Nasdaq 100 trading bullish for a little while, but let it cross over. I am too optimistic for that. Let's see. And if you look at the 100 weeks average, it is giving it a good resistance. So let's be watchful of 13,450 levels. Now, if you look at this, is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. The stochastic is trading overbought, and hence a pullback cannot be denied. The MACD is still bullish. It is green. It is trading with divergence. RSI is also near to the top. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, Nasdaq 100 trading with divergence, trading bullish. See this divergence from the 20 period moving average always pulls it down back to the same levels, which means 13,200, 13,150, 100 levels, very good support levels. A stochastic overbought, MACD trading with little divergence, trading in green, RSI trading very near to the top, trying to drop here. Considering that this, now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators, time for me to define the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, and if you want to equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies that can be applied across indices, commodity, forex, crypto as well, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts in first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals definitely will benefit. Reach out to me for more details. Now first let's have a look at a buy entry. I will recommend you to buy here at 13,320 itself, but very near 13,360, 13,400, and then 13,400. See, till, because Nasdaq 100 has seen a very limited range bound movement, now the resistance has also become very narrower here, and 13,510. Now till here, the possibility of it achieving these levels exists. A very stronger probability exists that it can try to hit those levels, but beyond this, it is going to show you accelerated bullishness, which might bring the prices on the upside. Chances for which are appears to be less. However, 13,500 levels certainly appears to be a good resistance zone, good achievable targets also. Now on the sell side, where to sell? I will recommend you to sell at 13,240, below which you can expect 13,160, 13,100 levels as a very good support. If these two are taken, you can expect 13,000 as the next support, and below that 12,920, 12,800 levels will be expected there. Till 12,800, bearishness might not be there. It can reverse strongly. It can pull it back again on the upside. Hence, till there, you should be trading with caution. You should strictly trading with a stop loss, and remember 13,500, 600 zone, very good resistance for Nasdaq 100. Hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss there also on the upside. Remember, we have seen a very range bound movement, hence the resistance has also become very narrower. Hence you should try to keep booking profits and try to re-enter if you know that there could be swings potentially. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also remember, me or my social media handles do not approach you for the very first time for any investment scheme or any personal interaction until and unless we have interacted earlier, until and unless you have already poked me up and we have had a discussion. I am not going to approach you, or I am not going to be the first one to text you, or neither it is going to be my social media handles. Anyone imposing on my name, anyone asking you money on my name, anyone claiming to give you investment and schemes where claiming multifold return in quick time, please report them all. Please report them to cybercrime. Don't get trapped. They are just there to trap you. They are fraudsters, scammers. Please don't get trapped with such investment schemes. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do reach out to me for any of your concerns. Thank you very much.